Hi, Cyril Lachamoise from Ronival. Quick update about Oceana Wellness Residences. Things are moving fast. In all apartments, wood ceilings are being installed on every terrace. Marble dividers are going in and interior carpentry is about to start in all units. In Tower 1, the elevators are being installed and the storage rooms are complete. The security booth and the service tunnel to spa and restaurant are progressing well and the main access is nearly finished. In the reception area, the marble walls and ceiling are almost complete, with final details happening this week. Hallways, floors and glass railings are progressing nicely. As for amenities, great news! The indoor pool and jacuzzi passed water test and are getting their final touches. The second pool and rooftop deck are already under construction and paddle and pickleball court break ground this month. Seller financing is now available. There has never been a better moment to own in Cabo. Stay tuned.